children, today we are going to teach that UKG mathematics, okay? We first we have to see the page number 1. See, do you know numbers? See, what is this number? 1. Please repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children. Now we are going to counting these objectives. How to count? Do you know counting? Counting how many apples are there? 1 apple. So 1. How many apples are there? 1. Sorry. How many elephants are there? 1, 2. 2. How many caps are there? See. 1, 2, 3. Count it again. 1, 2, 3. 3 hats are there. How many books are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books are there. How many violins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 violins are there. These are the mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mangoes are there. How many cats are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 caps are there. See my hands. How 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hands are there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again count this frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So once again, what is this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you repeat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. See, now we are going to, do you know all the spellings to 1 to 10? Tell me, I will tell, after that we have to repeat. Okay? O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, repeat that. T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-C-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. So these are the spellings. See page number 2 in your maths material. Page number 2. See activity is there. What is this? You had to write all the numbers and count the fingers and write that number, and you had to write the number name. How many fingers are there? Here, how many fingers are there? 1. So you have to write 1. What is the name? One name? O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Take your pencil and write it in your box. I will check it later. And next, 2. How many fingers are there? Here, how many fingers are there? 1, 2. So, 2. What is the 2 spelling? T-W-O 2. What is, how many fingers are there? 3. See the finger fingers and you have to write the numbers. What is the number name? THREE. 3. Take your pencils and write neatly. And next, 4 fingers are there. 4. What is the 4 spelling? FOUR. 4. And what is the how many fingers are there next? 5. What is the 5 name? FIVE. 5. Next. What is the next number? 6. What is the spelling of 6? SIX. 6. Next. 7. SEVEN. 7. Next. 8. EIGHT. Write neatly with your pencil, children, in this box. Next. 9. What is the 9 spelling? NINE. 9. And next, what is the next number? 10. TEN. 10. So write neatly and simultaneously you have to write in your notebook. Mention the date and the day. Twice 2 pages you have to write. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 pages you have to write. I will check later. Okay. Next, second Roman. What is this? See. You have to match the number and number names. First, what is this? Numbers. This is number names? No. Numbers. 1. Where is 1 here? One object. Where is one object is there? See, identify. Is this one objectives? No. More. Here 1. So you have to underline with your pencil 1. Next, number 2. Where is the 2 elephants are there? See, here 2. Underline. 3. Where is the 3 objectives? See, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to underline with your pencil. 4. Where is 4 objectives are there? Count it. See, is this 4? Is this 4? Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Match with pencil. And 5. Where is 5 objectives? Here. You have to underline with your pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 6. Where is 6 objectives? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Match this one. 7. Where is 7 objectives? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Match the 7. 8. Is this 8 objectives? 8. 8. No. These are the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is this 8 objectives? No. Where is 8 objectives, children? Can you find? I think this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these are the 8 objectives. 9. Where is 9 objectives? Is this 9? 1, 2, 3. No. 1. No. 1, 2. No. Where is 9 objectives? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You had to match the 9 number with 9 objectives. 9 simultaneously you have to identify, match the number names. See. 1 here. 2. Where is 2? Here. 3. Where is 3? Here. 3 objectives where? Here. 4. Where is 4? Here. 4. 5. Where is 5 objectives? Here. 6. Where is 6 objectives? Here. 7. Where is 7? Here. 8. Where is the 8 number here? Can you identify? 8 here. Where is 8 objectives? 8 hands are there. 9. Here. 10. Only 9 numbers are there. Okay, you have to write with your pencil and underline neatly write these spellings in your notebook. Once again I will tell you. 1, O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-E 3, 4, F-O-R 4, 5, F-5-E 5, 6, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9,